Spat between RIL and NTPC. The RIL counsel today said that signing the NTPC contract may have been a mistake and that Reliance Industries will compensate NTPC if the High Court rules in NTPC's favor. Abhishek Gupta joins us from Delhi with an update.
On the last day of the hearing of RIL case, today the RIL counsel Harish Savli made a startling revelation. What he said was that if the High Court case with NTPC goes in favor of NTPC, then they will work out a suitable arrangement to compensate NTPC. What he is saying is that if NTPC's case goes in favor of NTPC in all three parameters, that's price, quantity and cap on liability, then NTPC is entitled to a compensation simply because RIL cannot give gas for 17 years as they have agreed in the contract with NTPC. He also went on to say that the contract signed with NTPC might have been a mistake, and now they will not make the same mistake of signing such a long contract. It does raise a lot of questions about this case and what that statement and what that stand will have on the bearing of this case, as RIL has been arguing on the basis of the NTPC agreement. Now the questions will be asked on what happens if the judgment is in favor of RIL. Will RIL be also entitled to a suitable compensation like that? If the contract does not last for 17 years with RIL, will they also get a compensation for 17 years? What happens in the case the price is not the same as NTPC? Will they get a compensation? So it does raise a lot of questions about this case after the stand RIL has taken. In other matters, today's Chief Justice was very clear that the case has to end today, that no time will be given after the vacation or during the vacation, and the case has to end today itself. So by today evening, we will see the end of arguments for this case. We still have Gopal Subramaniam and probably RIL present some of their arguments.